Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese pasta with chicken. First, gather your ingredients. About 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 12 ounces of your favorite pasta, 2 cups of milk, and a mix of cheeses. Dice the chicken into 1-inch pieces. Next, get a large pot of salted water boiling for your pasta. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's cook the chicken and pasta. Season your diced chicken with salt and pepper, then cook it in a skillet over medium-high heat until it's golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken and set it aside. Next, add your pasta to the boiling water and cook, according to package directions, until it's al dente. Remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water before draining. It's time to make that creamy cheese sauce. In the same skillet, melt 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 3 tablespoons of flour to create a roux, cooking for about 1 minute. Slowly pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Let it simmer until it thickens. Finally, stir in about 8 ounces of your favorite shredded cheeses until the sauce is perfectly smooth and melted. Almost done. Add the cooked pasta and chicken back into your creamy cheese sauce. Stir everything gently to combine, ensuring every piece is coated. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little of that reserved pasta water, 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade cheese pasta with chicken. Also, be sure to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.